Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be setting up my week in my hourly planner. The first thing that I did was brain dump everything that's coming up for this week in my commonplace notebook. Now, I did this off camera, but I am planning on sharing a video in the next upcoming week on my commonplace notebook and how I am currently using it. After I do this brain dump, it just makes the planning process much easier. I pulled out my planner and then I start the planning process. For this upcoming week, I did decide to just use my own stickers, so I'm not going to be using any sticker books in this video. Every sticker that you see will be one that I created, and you can find it in my Etsy shop. The first thing I wanted to mark off is Labor Day. So this upcoming Monday is Labor Day. My kids are off from school, so I'm going to use these pencil stickers in order to mark that off and add it into my planner. I like to mark these types of things off because I usually have to plan around the kids. So I work from home, my husband works from home, and usually we will coordinate our schedules to see who's going to be with kids for the first half of the day, who's going to be with them for the other half of the day until around 5 o'clock when we both are basically off from work. So this just helps us whenever we both still have some things that we need to do and they are off from school. In my top box, I've added all of my admin tasks, which are basically the same every single day. And then my sidebar, I am using for my to-do list and my YouTube videos that are coming up this week. For this upcoming week, I do have to film multiple videos. Normally, I am filming about 2 videos, but for the month of September, I'm going to be filming 4 videos every single week, and that is because I have a series coming out on my second YouTube channel on how to study the Bible, and then I also have the 2 videos that I post on my main channel. And so we are going to have to plan a lot this upcoming month for social media and for my business to make sure that I am staying on track. I am hoping to batch a lot of these videos in this upcoming week. However, I do have a couple of events, a couple of things that I have to do that may not make that possible this week. I might have to wait until the weekend. Now, since Monday is Labor Day, I am planning on sleeping in. I normally get up around 6:30, 7 o'clock in order to get my day started. But since it's Labor Day and the kids don't have to get up, I am going to sleep in a little bit longer and probably won't get started until 9 a.m., which means I'll just cut out my morning routine. Usually I am doing my morning routine around 7 o'clock. But on certain days, especially holidays, I will just take it off and I won't do it. I do have an Amazon order that I need to do this upcoming week. So I did decide to use these little stickers in order to mark that off. And now I am moving on to Tuesday. So Tuesday and Wednesday, I have a training class scheduled for a majority of those days. I'm going to be gone from like 9 a.m. until around 2 p.m., which is why I will still need to work on Monday. So normally I would take off whenever the kids are off, but since I know I'm going to have this training class on Tuesday and Wednesday, I have decided that I'm going to work on Monday, and I also have to post multiple videos, so that's also why I will need to work on Labor Day as well. I'm also marking off the videos that I want to go live on the days that I want them to go live and the time. That helps me to make sure that I am filming and editing and uploading in the time frame that I need to do. Wednesday is payday, so I did use these little Coffee Monster Co. stickers. Anytime you see these little emoji stickers, they are usually from Coffee Monster Co. I love her stickers, and so I am using the one to mark off payday and also using the ones to mark off my newsletter, the little computer stickers. Every single day I am going to be doing orders. This is just so I can stay up to date and stay on top of my orders. And then Wednesday evening we have a live Bible study that is going to be live on YouTube on my second channel as well. So if you're interested, you can definitely check that one out. So now we're moving on to the second half of the week. I'm still going to add all of my admin things at the top, but on Thursday I do have a live Organize You class, and so I need to mark that off, mark off my filming, mark off my orders. For the second half of the week, I will be catching up from the 2 days where I was unable to be home and I had that class, that training. So this is going to be a majority of filming and orders, basically catching up from the 2 days where I was out. And so I will always do that whenever I am out of my routine. If I have something else that I have to do, if I have an event or somewhere else that I have to go, then I will try and add on 2 or 3 days of like catch up time, because normally I am not filming every single day of the week. But because of this series and because I'm going to be out 2 days, I'm going to be out of my house and in another class, then I know that I'm going to need some extra time to catch up with everything that I have missed. The other thing I am really trying to do is work out more. I have really fallen off of my workout routine, so I'm hoping that these little stickers at the very bottom of my planner will inspire me to work out at some point throughout my day. Normally I am working out in the morning, and I probably will still work out in the morning, but I will just track it at the very bottom of my planner. Moving over to the weekend, I am planning to film on Saturday as well, Saturday morning, and I normally do not film on Saturdays, but once again, because I'm out Tuesday and Wednesday, I am going to film on Saturday, and I am also writing in the different videos that I want to post on Friday and post on Sunday. So every single Sunday, I have been posting my weekly plan with me's, since you all seem to really enjoy them. So we're going to continue that process until y'all get sick of seeing the same type of videos. On Sundays, the only thing that I will do is church, and then I'm going to plan out my social media and rest. I don't do much on Sunday afternoons. This is a big rest time, and so I mark it off in my planner to make sure that I continue that process. And this is it for my week. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you have already planned out your week. How is it going with using your planner? I would love to hear from you, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.